We made it! Anchor's down in Cartagena. I can't believe it. I really can't believe we're here. It's huge. I mean, I think it's just hitting me right now how huge of a jump this is for us.
Hold on, let's back that up a little bit. Should be an easy little 500-mile downwind sail from Bonaire to Cartagena. It's our longest passage to date, but should be a no-brainer. Well, there's some risk of pirates, or desperate fishermen really, off the coast of Venezuela. The winds can really pick up off Galinas, and there's a trench between the eastern and western Caribbean which can form a choppy sea state. It's best to stay well offshore. A little further down the coast is prone to strong offshore breezes at night, which are best avoided. You also want to cross the output of the River Magdalena during the day, as the river, Colombia's largest, can produce large swell and spit out very large debris. Again, best avoided. The region is also well known for violent pop-up thunderstorms. This is one of the busiest shipping regions of the entire Caribbean, so watch out for cargo ships. And oh yeah, as you approach Cartagena, there's an ancient underwater wall built to defend the city from attacks. But other than that, nothing to worry about. Journey along as we make our way to Cartagena.
We just got underway, leaving Bonaire. We are bouncing around. We're getting hit kind of on the side by the waves on the beam. They're pretty confused seas here, and we are not feeling great. I almost lost my breakfast down in the galley just now. Eily's laid up. Even Kieran was mentioning his iron stomach was feeling a little queasy. How are you doing?
Captains don't get seasick.
Nate is feeling fine apparently, but I am really, not doing great right now.
Oh, yeah. I saw it, Dad. Just keep pulling it in. It's on there. Just keep pulling it in. There's action out there. You see that, Mom?
I didn't, no.
Oh my God. Look,
oh, yeah.
Something is going on out there. We're gonna get a fish. We're gonna get a fish. What?
It's actually on the lure.
Without getting hooked. Want to throw it back in the water?
Yeah, here you go. You run it up.
Crew's hungry. I gotta go down and get maybe some sandwiches. You guys all want some sandwiches? This has kind of been a miserable first day. We're all feeling a little bit sick, and even Nate had to go lay down for a little bit. I don't know, just the motion of the sea. It's not a great one.
So we got our wing on wing action going. Beautiful day. It's gonna be a beautiful day here. It is a beautiful day. Past Aruba in the night. Can't see it anymore. Still have these pretty big following seas that won't look like much to you, but ooh-wee. So I don't like day sailing. You know, hey, go out for a morning on San Francisco Bay, no thanks. Sail around in a circle, come back to the dock. but this I really like, and I didn't know if I would. I like being out in the open water, bigger seas. I can just sit and stare at the ocean for hours. And I think, you know, there's an excitement to this of going from Bonaire to Colombia, wherever you're going, but I think the bigger part is just doing it yourself. When do we go? Where do we go? What sail plan do we put up? Watch schedule, all that stuff. You know, how do we do it? It's all on us. When something breaks, what do we do? How do we fix it? How do we stay safe? How do we stay happy, healthy? I don't know. I like that. I like all of that. I like all that more than I thought I would. Sure is pretty out here.
Diving on our lures, and we kept trying to get it away, but it died before we could bring it on board. I don't know if there's something else we could have done, but it just makes you feel awful.
I got a little bit of cleaning to do. Got some dirty fuel or fuel with ethanol in it, and then it sits in the tank for a long time, which allows bacteria to feast. I know this for two reasons. One, see there's sludge in the bottom of the bowl here. That is dead bacteria. And two, the filter that's in here has been filling up every so often and killing the engine. I've got tank cleaner and bacteria killer I'm going to put in all four of my fuel tanks. Here I sit on the starboard hull. Last full day of our sail to Cartagena. We are losing the wind as expected. Today is slow going. We are lazing along at 3 knots, which is fine because if we go fast we would get there at dark, which I don't want to do. So I've got two things I'm going to put in here. Enzyme fuel treatment. Supposed to clean the tank. 2 or 3 ounces by eye. Okay. BioBoard JF. Industry standard for the treatment of microbial growth in fuel. Just need 1 ounce. Got 1 ounce poured in this nifty little thing here. Okay. I'm going to run the engines because I need to, but hopefully this will go through clean the system as it runs through and returns, goes through the filter. I may have to change a filter or two, that's okay. Probably before the Pacific, I'm going to drop that bowl and clean that out, even though I hate doing that just because it introduces the possibility of getting air in it, but I think I'll be better at that now than I once was. So, gonna go do the other side.
Day 3 on our journey to Cartagena. Just some good clean sailing along the coast of Colombia. Today is going to be a shower day for the scout crew. We're all getting a little ripe and the seas are calmer, so we're going to break out the shower stuff.
Oh, no, they're over there.
They're right in front of us.
Good.
You better get back there, bud.
What?
We're about to get some action. Whoa, look at those jumpers.
Yeah, you might be right.
Oh my gosh, they're huge.
Get over by your...
Woo.
They're TUNA.
Oh my gosh, they're jumping here too. We're right in the middle. Ah!
Oh my God, there's TUNA.
I got one, baby! Yeah!
Put the
Down, pull it down.
Mom!
Put one in neutral.
Put them both in neutral. Mama, I need your help right now.
Okay, okay.
Is this still tension?
Got it, bud. You want me to do it?
Will the one turn around and go play in the past? Turn it. Is this going on that one done?
I think there might be. You want to get up, Karen?
Sure.
No, I don't want to gap.
Okay.
Mom, you want to gap it?
It's a small size. No, I will. Most likely time to lose it because all the weight's on the line in the lure.
I'm scared. Don't fall overboard. Watch out, bud. Get him, Mom. Oh, boy. Oh. Gotta get him, Mom.
Grab it. Grab it.
Get him! Get it! No, like, actually, attack him!
Come on, Megan.
Mom! Get it!
Let's pull him on. Pull him on with the line. Now secure him with the skills.
Tell us, how do you feel?
Woo, I got a fish! Sashimi for dinner! We're about to go to a whole nother continent.
We've been to like 7.
No, we haven't. No. We've only ever been to North America. I don't know, what's the Caribbean considered part of?
Never, ever been to anywhere that's not North America. What about Chicago? Is Chicago North America? Chicago's literally in the U.S.
Hawaii would be the furthest away that you've ever been, but that's still part of North America.
No, we're way farther from the U.S. than Hawaii is right now.
No.
Literally? That's it took a couple hours of plane ride and like so long.
Look what I woke up to this morning.
Here we are coming into a big city. Cartagena, big old historic city. I'm excited. Here we go. 14, 13, getting shallower. All right, getting deeper. bumper, there it was. Woo! Got down to 11, really 14. We have an offset. That was us going over the old historic fortification. Couldn't see it, 10 feet of water. It's murky here.
So here we are, pulling into Cartagena. It is definitely the most urban city we've been to since leaving the States. Even, I would say, since, I guess Miami and Fort Lauderdale, but really this feels very much like San Francisco and Oakland. We're currently transiting the channel. There's some tricky spots here where it gets really shallow. Lots of little boats zooming in and out, and channel zigzagging, so we are hoping and keeping our fingers crossed that we're choosing the right path and enjoying the scenery for sure. You might notice in a video recently and currently I'm wearing this headset. We call them our marriage savers. A friend of mine recommended it to me, and I was a little skeptical at first, but I cannot say enough about how awesome these things are. I can be up in the front of the boat and Nate's at the helm. Now Nate and I can talk to each other without having to yell, which raises your adrenaline and your stress level, and without having to run back and forth and check in with each other. It gives Nate a set of eyes up front, and it really has been amazing how it's reduced the level of stress on the boat during tricky situations when we need to communicate with each other when we're far apart. Definitely would recommend them. They are a really important, I think, safety and practical tool to have on the boat. And we're not sponsored at all in any way by them, just think that they're a really good tool. Yay! We made it! Anchor's down in Cartagena. I can't believe it. I really can't believe we're here. It's huge. I mean, I think it's just hitting me right now how huge of a jump this is for us. Grenada felt big, but this is really stepping out. We just hit a new continent, folks. Woo! It's my first time in South America.
Well, it wasn't hard in any particular way.
No, you did great, babe. You navigated that wonderfully. You did everything awesome. High five.
Here we are.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and we hope to see you next week.